where AI might not be useful? Is there any way where AI might not get used that much or not going to have that much of impact? That is very rare. So, as far I understand it, the way I look at it is that every sector is actually even going to have impact for sure. But for every sector at the same time, at the level where empathy is needed, where a very critical decision is going to be needed, those are the sectors where AI will not be used very soon. But who knows? Maybe in the near future. But that is not going to happen very soon for sure. That is what we can assume. But in every sector, at the entry level, at the mid level, that has already started, right? But in every sector at the same time, where these decision makings will be needed, where the empathy might be needed, those are the sections of every sector where AI might not we might not see the use of AI very soon. So, like, let's say the humanitarian aid were needed, maybe in the war zones, right? So, but definitely AI is also working on empathy. Maybe in the future that will also come into play. But also the decision making things, maybe where the critical things are going to be like flying the Airbus, right? Maybe as we see the driverless car, maybe we are not going to see driverless, pilotless Airbus very soon. But we already see that there is a pilotless, drones are out there that carrying everything, but not human yet, right? So those are not that they are not capable, but those are sensitive and human life matters. Human life is involved there. So those are the things where it is not being used yet, but definitely, even if there is, eventually there are some parts of the AI definitely there in the cockpit, right? But there is a human behind it who is actually also monitoring it. So we know already that there's autopilot mode, right? The pilot can come out of the seat and putting in the autopilot mode. Then who's driving it? Actually, AI is driving. Flying the Airbus, right? But maybe at that time the pilot is moving or coming to talking to somebody, to talk to somebody. So things are there, but definitely it is not going to have been replaced very soon.